Have you ever wondered why cover cropping is such a critical part of sustainable agriculture? Let's delve into this important practice. Cover cropping is planting specific crops to protect and enrich the soil. It serves multiple functions, from preventing soil erosion to enhancing soil fertility. It even suppresses those pesky weeds that compete with your main crops for nutrients. With these benefits, it's clear that cover cropping is not just a farming practice, it's a soil-saving strategy. Now you might be asking, how does cover cropping achieve all these benefits? Well, it starts with the selection of the right cover crop species. Each species has its own unique set of benefits. Some plants, like legumes, are excellent at improving soil nitrogen levels, acting as natural fertilizers. Others, like rye or oats, are champions at suppressing weeds, creating a natural barrier against unwanted plant invaders. Then there are those species, like buckwheat and clover, that are fantastic for attracting beneficial insects. These bugs and critters can help control pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Once the cover crop has grown and served its purpose, it's incorporated back into the soil. This process, known as green manuring, enriches the soil with organic matter, improving its structure and fertility. So, choosing the right cover crop can make a significant difference to the health and productivity of your garden or farm. Cover cropping, therefore, is a critical practice for any gardener or farmer who cares about the health of their soil. It's not just about increasing yield, but also about promoting sustainable agriculture. By protecting and enriching the soil, cover crops enhance its fertility, control weeds, and improve water management. A simple but powerful method that can truly make a difference in our gardens and farms. Remember, a healthy soil equals a bountiful harvest. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening and farming tips. Happy gardening!